Hi, I'm Tom Deacon, here to present a new episode of How to See It Now. For this video, See It Now has asked me to take a look at what makes a good ending to a video. We've gathered some clips of the best videos you've made for customers to show examples of what works really well. A good finish will include a quick recap, then explain what will happen next, helping set expectations. For example, if you're planning to call the customer, let them know when to expect a call, increasing the likelihood of a call being answered. Signpost the contact details on the webpage they have received the video on. In the case of the workshop, in most circumstances, the service advisor will follow up. Telling the customer this increases the likelihood of them taking the call, making the whole process more efficient for both you and the customers. Now we have an idea, let's take a look at some examples.
Thank you for choosing Gates of Stevenage, Mr. Nightingale. One of our service advisors will contact you shortly. My name is Mark, and you have a chance to rate the video out of 5 stars, 5 stars being very good. We've also sanitised the touch points before and after we've worked on your vehicle today. Thank you.
Mark concludes this video nicely by showing the registration plate of the vehicle, addressing the customer by name, mentioning his own name, explaining that a service advisor will be following up with them shortly, asks for the video to be rated, and explains the car has been sanitised for extra confidence. A lot to remember, but he did a great job helping Mark win Star of the Month for this video. Here's our final clip to share with you, filmed by Sam at Hyundai.
All of your tyre pressures will be adjusted, lights levels checked as part of this service as well. That then concludes this health check. Our service advisor will be in touch with you very shortly, and thank you for choosing Johnson's Hyundai.
Another good video ending, showing the rear registration plate, explaining that a service advisor will be in touch, closing with thanking the customer for choosing the location. A great set of clips there, really helping to understand what makes a good end to a video. As we can see, the common themes are being enthusiastic, explaining next steps so that the customer knows exactly what is going to happen, all helping to build their confidence and the customer relationship. In workshop videos, the registration plate is always shown. Addressing the customer by name is great for personalization, and including the dealership is a must. This all helps to wrap up the information for a customer and improves the overall experience. Thanks for watching this episode. We've put links below in the description to all of the videos seen in the episode, so you can watch them in full. While you're there, if you like this video, please click like, and if you're not already, please subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so you can be notified when new videos are published. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.